What's up, everyone? Welcome back to For Real. I'm Anna, and today we're chatting about something every iPhone user needs to know: when to replace your iPhone battery. iPhones are fantastic, but let's be real, the battery life isn't always the best. With newer models like the iPhone 13, Apple has made some improvements, but even these batteries have a lifespan. So how do you know when it's time to swap out your old battery? Let's dive in. Disclaimer. Remember, this information is for responsible use only. It's meant for those who legitimately own their device and have simply forgotten their access info. We do not encourage or support unlawful actions, such as bypassing security on stolen devices. Respect the law and others' rights. Our video adheres to YouTube's guidelines and community standards. All right, if you're wondering when to replace your iPhone battery, it's all about the battery health percentage. Your iPhone should retain up to 80% of its original battery capacity after 500 full charge cycles. Once it drops below 80%, the battery won't hold as much charge. But wait, don't rush to replace it just yet. Even at 70 or 80%, your iPhone might still get you through the day, especially if you're not doing heavy tasks like watching videos or gaming. So when should you actually replace it? The best time is when your iPhone no longer holds enough charge to get you through your day. If the battery life bothers you enough that you think, I can't deal with this anymore, it's time to get a new battery. At around 40 or 50% battery health, the battery life starts degrading fast. You'll only get a few hours of use per charge, and below 40%, your iPhone becomes almost unusable. Low battery health can cause your iPhone to shut down unexpectedly because it can't power all the hardware components efficiently. This is more common in older models, but even newer iPhones will show signs like sluggish apps, low frame rates, and lower speaker volume when the battery health dips. Hey, if this video is helping you out, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Got any questions or just want to share your battery woes? Drop a comment below. As your iPhone's battery ages, it's gonna hold less charge. You'll find yourself charging it more often, and honestly, there's nothing you can do to stop this. It's just how lithium-ion batteries work. But don't worry, I've got some tips to help you slow down the aging process. First up, keep your device up to date. Apple rolls out battery-focused software improvements regularly. Avoid using your iPhone in extreme temperatures and remove your case while charging to prevent overheating. Lastly, always use Apple-certified chargers and cables. These small steps can make a big difference. And that's the lowdown on when to replace your iPhone battery. I hope this cleared up any confusion you might have had. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find it useful. And for more awesome tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to For Real. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!